Unlock your energy, the role of mitochondria and Mitolyn support. Ever wonder where your energy comes from? Mitochondria are the tiny power plants inside your cells that convert food into fuel. They are essential for metabolism, powering every heartbeat, brainwave, and movement. Healthy mitochondria mean a healthier, more energetic you. When mitochondria weaken, so does your energy level. Stress, aging, and environmental toxins can impair their function, leaving you fatigued and less productive. Supporting your mitochondria isn't just about energy, it's about feeling your best every day and maintaining cellular health. Mitolyn is specially formulated to revitalize mitochondrial health. Packed with essential nutrients like CoQ10 and antioxidants, it helps boost energy production and protect cells from oxidative stress. Mitolyn equips your mitochondria to handle stress and perform at their peak. Feel the difference of optimal mitochondrial support with Mitolyn. Don't let fatigue slow you down. Empower your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Try Mitolyn today and unlock your full energy potential. Your healthiest, most energized self is just a step away. Link is in the description.